Hello guys, I'm here right now. All I'm gonna do right now is just rant. So if you don't want to hear rants, then might as well look for another video. But yeah, I'm just gonna rant on this. I have this Sony A7 III. This is a very good camera. I love it. It's very good for video. The only problem is this audio jack. So initially when this was released, when this was new, a lot of people were getting weird things happening to it, like the audio jack is not working. So it's quite frustrating. Yeah, I can't say the word, but yeah. So it happened to me last year. I was shooting a wedding and we were wondering why there was no audio coming in. So yeah, it's important for us to plug in the audio here and get good audio, of course. That's the reason why we have a microphone jack. Now the problem is, I got this fixed last year because it had that problem. And this year, it happened again, but this time, one of the left side or the right side, I don't know which side it was, but it's not working. Like you have to wiggle the microphone jack. That way you're going to get good audio. It's so frustrating because it's either I'm going to have this fixed or I'm going to sell this to a photographer who does not need the audio. Or another option is I can use this. This one uses the, where's that? This one uses the mount, the hot shoe, to get the connection to the audio. But that's Carlos, that's not mine. But yeah, it's really frustrating because if Sony did this well, then this shouldn't be any problem. I've had a lot of other cameras like this Sony, the Canons, and they're fine. And the small cameras, they're fine. But this one here, why is it happening? Why? I don't know. I'm just ranting. But anyway, any of you guys who just encountered this problem, tell me about it. Anyway, that's it for today. Just me ranting. Bye.